him to drive. And
We took video. Parihueyo.
Salud.
Salud. Have one.
Yeah. This is how I move. I don't never lose. I don't pick and choose. You can make the news. Get the eyes and ooze.
Wow. So here's the thing. We arrived. So here's the thing. We arrived to Philippines. Now the first video will end right here, right now. Let's see. It will work out. Nah, good.
تزال ليلى أكون ليلى تسبن
Now we're going out to try to eat something, try to figure out how's the vibes here in Manila. Then we will see what we're gonna do later. We took video. Yes, sir. Magay. Say hi to the camera. This is, what's your name?
Bunso.
Mansur. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Say something in Philippine.
Yes.
Say something in Philippine.
Bye.
Bye. Where's bye?
Manukoyo.
Marihueyo. What is that?
Salud.
Marihueyo.
Salud.
Salud. Hey. Okay. Huh? Look at you. I'm your baby? No? Nah.
72 baby. 22 kids. Real bad man.
Well, the funny thing, you walk in, you say they're calling you. I don't know what they call you. For me, I have one. Come on now, Yasser.
Huh?
Come on now. What are you trying to do to us?
God.
ايش بعد اللي ببغى ارجع تمشى. So this is the video where it ends. Right here, right now. It was a beautiful end. The last one will edit the video. And you guys, like, hey. Wait, this domestic.
Show them the room.
There we go. I mean, a decent room. Enough for us. Always books to read. This is the necessary one. Alright, we're good.
And don't forget your
So-
medical kit, guys, whenever you travel.
So you guys, was today, bro, it was so tiring, I swear to God. And Bilal, bring your ass here.
Bring your ass up here.
Bring your ass up here. Very good. Let's go. Choose. Manila, baby. Everything is good here. Like, it's crazy. It's too hot though. And the weather, I like the weather though. I like it. I love it so much. We just woke up, trying to get out of the hotel, do the checkout. Go to a mall. I need to buy like a new suitcase. Mine was broke up. And yeah, like people are good here. People are so kind. The Filipinos, man, they are so kind, man. So yeah, this is the good life, man. This is the good life. I'm so happy that I'm living this experience, man. Like yesterday was crazy.
Where are you going, sir?
Sir, I don't know where I'm going. They separated us to different groups. The group number one is for mothers, children,
Not brothers.
and transgender people.
So you should be in.
Huh?
So you should be in already.
Yeah, your place is there.
So we're sorry we didn't film nothing today.
No, the thing is, we didn't film because of this motherfucker. Our laptops couldn't handle the watch of our phones. Then no videos. We're waiting for Bilu.
Through gate number 132. If you're not part of boarding group 1 and number 2, please remain seated. And twice per night are boarding passes. To kindly hold up your individual
The first man that I see ever, this is group 2.
رسمت نيك.
Oh no! That's
She will
my,
act like she don't know.
that's my samurai.
It's black. You put tuna, then you put شو قلنا؟
Corn.
corn. Then
No, we will. Fish corn.
and because we don't
Screw me and
have
Dirk got one of my rules, I put it with gold.
Vampire this at home, but this one is for birthday of Mods. Your birthday
don't do cakes
today.
anymore.
Nah, we do tortilla, whatever you wanna call it. Look at this place over here again. Guys, the view is nice. People, they tell us that this place where we are right now is not the best place. So we still have a lot to see, a lot to discover, and we're just gonna experience this trip.
أنا شيء شيل دايرين.
Over here, we're gonna go catch some dinner right now. Okay. I showed you around, you saw some clips. And today is Sunday, and the locals over here, they told us that's why the place is busy. We wanna go to the one beach. They told us it will be a little bit busy, a lot of people, because today is Sunday. But tomorrow is Monday, and they told us that it's gonna be so lit. It's gonna be empty. We're gonna be around the beach. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna connect with the nature. Yes or no? We're gonna connect with the nature, right? Yeah, connecting to nature, working, you know, hustling. We have a couple of things to do more, just in our work, in our business and everything. So yeah, I'll leave you now with the.
Now we go eat, right? We go eat, then we go to the hotel, check with the guy about the bike, then we go to the beach, right?
Yeah.
Your laptop is fucked up, my laptop is fucked up, so we cannot edit. We're waiting for Bilal to come.
Yeah.
Video when we just landed,
So why you are sending this to the camera now?
because we are saying what is going on to the people.
But you just told me over there that that's not what we are doing in this channel.
قلت ما فلوقات اصحابي نقدر مع بنادم بحال هكا راه ما تجينيش هادشي راه ماشي هادشي اللي دايرين.
That's not what we are doing in this channel.
I'm telling you.
Then why you are telling me in camera?
So in a way I'm telling you.
Oh, please. Hi. Military thing.
Sir?
Like,
Look, got cheeseburger as well. This is the unique cheeseburger that you want to have. ياسر أنا عندنا crispy palabok ماشي ice cream. What you want to take?
this motherfucker is spending money like he's spending Monopoly money. But honestly, you should spend Philippine like it's Monopoly money.
تبان بحال الزالو.
راه داكشي اللي انا باغي نعرف هادشي هذا كيفاش غادي ناكلو. انا بان هاد ناخذ كبيده وهذا لا كان دجاج، لكن هذا دجاج ناخذ دجاجه وكبيده. فهمتي؟ هذا بورك 100%. هذا بورك.
To be honest, it
هذا
won't
باين
be.
بورك تا هو، هذاك تا هو بورك.
Look, it won't be worse as more than Chinese food. Of course, for sure. Yeah. Man. Look, people here are so friendly. In my life, when I was in Morocco, man, I used to watch people like living their life. I mean, I'm still not in the point that I want to in life, but when I see myself, sometimes we have things that we prayed for in the past, but we don't realize it. We don't realize it, and we always just seek to have more and more, to the point that we forget that what we live right now and what we have right now is the same thing that we prayed for like 1 year ago or 2 years ago, or legit a lot of times. Videos, pictures, people coming here. I say, well, why not me? But here we are. Here we are. Things just happen. I swear to God. Hello? So that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Look at this guy.
We sliding through some obstacles, flying somewhere tropical, burn a cock, then we